Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, October 10th. What an end to the week. SPX, new all-time high yesterday of 67.64. Ended today at 65.52, over 200 points lower. Ended up right at the lows where we bounced on September 17th on SPX. ES down almost 3.5% on the day. Russell down almost 3% on the day. Dow down almost 2% on the day, so just crazy massive sell-off. Gold ended the week just under all-time highs, hit a new all-time high on Wednesday, a little dip yesterday, back up today. Pretty similar action in silver. 10-year yield dropped 2% today to end the week lower. Oil had a big sell-off today, down over 4% lower on the week. Natural gas down almost 4% lower on the week. Euro and the pound a little bit lower, strength in the U.S. dollar, and Bitcoin selling off from all-time highs that it hit of 127,000. Now we're down to 117. And the VIX up over 31% today, back in the 20 handle, settled in at 21.66. All right, so as far as my trades go for the week, had a kind of a monster week, especially because of today. Ended up $44,828 on the week. On zero DTE stuff, yesterday I had a losing price action iron Condor, and today I had 4 winners, one of which made over $11,000 because I just stop out on the shorts only, and then the long puts just printed. Ended up, that was only a 5 lot, and it took me to over $11,000 profit. Had a few others, one for $1,200, $1,275, $600, so over $13K on those for the week. Had a 1 DTE, small one, small winner yesterday, a loser today. And then I had some multi-tranche iron Condors that closed out for a loss today. So net in that category, a little over $6,500. The biggest chunk came on my BIX. Really, I mean, all 1, 2, 3, Monday through Thursday, all were positive. Wednesday was a nice day of 5,100, but today, same story as I just mentioned on that price action iron Condor, where on my BIX I just have the stop on my shorts only, and so when those got stopped out, things continued to flush and just absolutely crushed it on the long puts, over 32,000 today on those. So net for the week, a little over 42,000 on my BIX. No transformers this week. 2 Mahomes, both were losers, minus 39.10. Calendars, had a small winner on a 3-4, small loser on a 7-8, and then today got smoked on my 6-7 for minus 5,400, so minus 5,348 on those. And then directional trades, I was down about $500 for the week until today, and I made a little over 5,700 today to put me at 5,277 on my weekly total. So that is it. So net with all those 44,828. Good week. Thank you to Mr. Trump and Mr. Z for your disagreements and allowing me to book those profits on my long puts. All right, all. Market is open. The stock market is open Monday. Bond market is closed, which typically means pretty light volume. It's a bank holiday. With the action today, I would say there's going to be some action Monday. And if there is lighter volume, it's going to push the markets around a lot easier. So could have some interesting action on Monday. Everybody have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.